Welcome to What Humanity Needs to Know. For centuries, people have asked, how did the universe begin? Today, modern science gives us a powerful answer, the Big Bang. But this answer raises another question. If the universe had a beginning, who or what caused it? Let's explore this together through science, logic, and faith. In the early 20th century, scientists discovered something astonishing. The universe is expanding. This led to the Big Bang theory, the idea that everything, including space and time, began from a single point around 13.8 billion years ago. This wasn't an explosion in space. It was an explosion of space. Time, matter, energy, all came into existence. And according to physicist Alexander Vilenkin, all the evidence we have says that the universe had a beginning. Now here's the critical question. Everything that begins to exist has a cause. The universe began to exist. So, it must have a cause, right? But this cause must be outside of time, space, and matter, because these things didn't exist before the Big Bang. It must be uncaused, eternal, and incredibly powerful. That sounds a lot like God. The Quran said over 1400 years ago, "Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them?" Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. This verse remarkably echoes the concept of a cosmic separation, the early formation of the universe. It doesn't give a scientific formula, but it hints at a reality far beyond human knowledge at that time. Some say maybe the universe came from nothing, but in science, nothing doesn't mean empty space. True nothing means no space, no time, no laws, no quantum fields. Can absolute nothing produce everything? It defies both science and reason. Others ask, then who created God? But God, by definition, is uncaused and eternal. Only things that begin need a cause. God didn't begin, he simply is. The Big Bang doesn't disprove God. In fact, it may be one of the strongest scientific clues for a creator. It tells us the universe had a beginning, and everything that begins must have a cause. So maybe the Big Bang wasn't the enemy of faith. Maybe it was one of its greatest allies. Stay curious, stay questioning, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what humanity needs to know.